students. I am Mr. Ramesh Rathod from Adas Junior College. I teach English. Today we are going to learn degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. There are three types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. How can we identify that degrees? In positive degree, there will be construction as, adjective as. In comparative degree, there will be construction adjective plus adjective er to that and than. And in superlative degree, there is construction the, adjective and est. From this you can identify that which degree is which. Means if it is positive degree, there will be as. Comparative degree er than. The superlative degree the and est. Now we can change positive degree into comparative degree into positive degree, and we change superlative degree into positive degree and superlative degree into comparative degree. Before learning that, you must know that there are three forms of adjective which we can easily make: clever, cleverer, cleverest. Means most of the adjectives are changed. Most of the adjectives can form their second and third form by adding er and est. When the word is too much, means word is more than 2 or 3 syllables, just like beautiful, we can add more beautiful and most beautiful to that. Some forms are very much exception for that. We cannot identify it. We cannot apply er to that and est to that. So that were good, better, best. Their forms are very much different. Bad, worse, worst. Much, many, more, most. If you know all these things, now when we are changing superlative degree into positive degree, we have to use no other. When we are changing superlative degree to comparative degree, we have to use any other. And when there will be construction one of the, you have to change that no other into very few and any other into most other. These all things should be kept in mind, and you can easily change the degrees of that change the degrees. Now one example is here. Sita is more beautiful than Reena. Sita is more beautiful than Reena. Now this is comparative degree. We can change comparative degree into positive degree. How will it be? Reena is not as beautiful as Sita. You must have known that when we are converting or changing comparative degree into positive degree, if it is positive, it changes into negative, and when it is positive negative, it is changed into negative. Now Jeevan is not as clever as Ketan. We have to change it into, it is a positive degree. Now we can change it into comparative degree. What will be comparative degree? We have to apply er and than in this sentence. What will be sentence then? Ketan is, means Jeevan is not clever, means Ketan is clever. Ketan is cleverer than Jeevan. Ketan is cleverer than Jeevan. In this way, we change it into comparative degree. use er and than. Now let us see the example of superlative degree here. Superlative degree can be changed into converted into positive degree and comparative degree. Now here is the example. The Ganga is the longest river in India. The Ganga is the longest river in India. We have to use no other. Here you have to keep in mind. No other river, no other what river? No other river where in India? No other river in India is as long as the Ganga. No other river in India is as long as the Ganga. Now we have to change it into comparative degree. The Ganga is the longest river in India. We have to change it into comparative degree. We have to use any other. In comparative degree, we have to make the construction er than. Then what will be the sentence? The Ganga is longer. Er. The Ganga is longer than any other, which we take from here, any other river in India. The Ganga is longer than any other river in India. Now the sentence one of the best structure. If you have one of the best structure, you have to use very few and most other. Very few in positive while changing into positive degree, and most other while changing into comparative degree. Sachin is one of the best batsmen in team. Sachin is one of the best batsmen in team. We have to change it into positive. We have to make as. We have to use very few. Very few should be used in the beginning. Very few batsmen in team are as good as Sachin. Sachin is the better. Now we have to change it into comparative degree. We have to change it into er than. We have to change make construction er than, and we have to use most other because it is one of the best structure, and because of that we have to change it into most other. We have to use most other. Now let us see here. Sachin is better than most other batsmen in team. In this way we can learn degrees. Now homework for you. Homework. Jadeja is one of the best batsmen in Indian cricket team. And second will be there Yamuna board is the one example is sufficient for you. Let us stop here now.